Roblox connection failed error code 2 usually appears when your mobile device cannot connect to the Roblox servers. Roblox error code 2 usually appears when your device has trouble loading game data or establishing a stable connection with Roblox servers. This error is common on mobile devices and is often caused by poor internet, corrupted app files, or outdated app versions. Here's a simple guide to fix the Roblox error code 2 quickly on your phone. First, you need to go ahead and make sure that the Roblox application is up to date. So open your Play Store or App Store and search for Roblox. If you see an update button over there instead of play, go ahead and update it to its latest and newest version available. Now, go ahead and open your system settings. Scroll all the way down and go to Apps. From here, simply search for Roblox application. Once you find it, tap on it and then scroll down, go to its storage, and click on Clear Cache. Come back, try force stopping this application and re-enable it again. And go to Permissions and make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app. Now, you can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data if the connection is not working properly, and also avoid using VPN. Completely close the application and re-log into your Roblox account and see if it works. And sometimes, if the Roblox is down, the error will appear even if your device is fine. You need to wait until the servers are back online. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.